To add a seed variety in Traction, go to Field Operations and find Products on the left nav, and then find Seed. You will notice that we have well over 33,000 seed varieties already listed in Traction. And what you want to do here is type in the actual variety name from the search. I'll type in DKC65 for my DeKalb seed corn. And right here you'll see that's listing 15 of them. I can expand that and show 30 at a time. Now I can kind of scroll down to the bottom and find my seed variety. And one thing to point out with this database, sometimes you'll see the same variety name twice. Just to point this out, the very top one most likely will be corn, and the one right below that will be corn silage. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the top one and go ahead and add 3 of them to my list of products. And really the only way you can tell is by clicking the 3 dots on the far right and going to View Details. And here you can see that it says corn-field. If you pick the wrong one, it'd be able to go ahead and just backspace and favorite the correct one. But the one thing to point out here is just make sure you have the application unit and the inventory unit correct here. If for some reason you have anything incorrect, you can just hit the edit button, the lower right corner, and you can go ahead and put in the cost per bag and the default rate. And you can hit the save button. That saves your information here, and just hit the back button, and that takes you back to the original screen. And what you'll notice is that it did put my favorites up to the top, and so that way they're quick to appear for my drop-down lists. If for some reason you're searching and you cannot find your seed variety, just go up to the upper right corner and select New Product. And here you can type in the product name, the crop. We can pick the application unit, which would be seed, and we purchase it by the bag or the unit. It's got my conversion factor here already, which you can change if it's incorrect, and you can even put in the cost per bag and the default rate. All that looks really good to me. I'm going to hit the save and close button. When you end up back here, you'll see that it added that custom product to your list of seed varieties, and it'll be blue just to kind of let you know it's a little bit different than the ones that you've added through the database. But really it doesn't matter. It's going to treat all these the same. When you actually do a purchase of products, you'll have that drop-down list, as well as when you do field records, you have that same list to pick from.